Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the book How to Get Rich Before 30 by A.B. Stanley. If you're looking to achieve financial freedom early in life, this book is a must-read. Let's get started. 1. Introduction. A.B. Stanley's book is packed with practical advice for young adults who want to build wealth. The key takeaway? Start early and stay consistent. Here are the main strategies Stanley recommends. 2. Start investing early. First up, start investing early. Even if you only have a few dollars to spare, the power of compound interest can work wonders over time. Stanley emphasizes that the earlier you start, the more you can benefit from your investments growing exponentially. 3. Overcome limiting beliefs. Next, overcome limiting beliefs about money. Many of us grow up with misconceptions that can hold us back financially. Stanley encourages readers to challenge these beliefs and adopt a mindset of abundance and possibility. 4. Stay motivated and focused. Staying motivated and focused on your financial goals is crucial. Create a vision board, set clear goals, and track your progress. Stanley suggests celebrating small wins along the way to keep your momentum going. 5. Make small lifestyle changes. Small lifestyle changes can make a big difference. Simple habits like making coffee at home instead of buying it daily can save you a significant amount over time. Stanley's book is full of these practical tips to help you save more and invest wisely. 6. Beginner-friendly investing. Finally, Stanley introduces beginner-friendly investing methods. From stocks to real estate, he breaks down various options and explains how to get started with each. The goal is to diversify your investments and build a robust portfolio. Closing scene. And there you have it, a quick summary of How to Get Rich Before 30 by A.B. Stanley. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and here's to your financial success.